I have to tell you something. I was like, what happened? And he goes, oh, my mum got really angry at me and she hit my face. And I said, Nala. And he goes, then my tooth fell out. And then I said, Nala. And he goes, aren't you embarrassed? And I said, oh, my man, if I beat, I'll talk to you later. So he was very vain, you know. But we know now, guys, so yeah, we're going to sing Sorry to lea.Family. We're going to sing two very short songs. One song is about the love of God, the love of Jesus. That he sent Jesus so that when we die with Jesus, we get to rise again with Jesus, amen? And I'm so grateful to God that I got an opportunity to know this man. And I can honestly say, people live their lives not being able to feel so much love. And I can testify today in front of family that at least I can say, while I am alive, I have experienced such a great love as the love this man had for me. And I thank God for the heart that he had for me, to my family, to my nieces and nephews, and to our friends. So we thank you. Thank you to James and Tia and Rebecca. So sorry, baby. Thank you for all your love. And this song, will be if I would have alofa mai luga sili atu aroma penina mai loloto la tele le lofa mai maulunga le lofa le tua le mafai. So we're going to sing that one a cappella, brother. So all good. Thank you. Thank you, family. Yeah, let's talk.
1, 2. Check 1, 2.
Ario mapenina, lolotola telele lopa, ema waluga, lelo fale na le tuaele, mafayona osia, lelo fale na le tuaele, mafayona